Hey folks, how you doing? Albert Bellamy here, Major Data, also resident of the naughty list for like the 49th year in a row. Um, I want to talk to you today about some AI related stuff. I have seen lately a lot of kind of bad AI habits, and it seems to me that in this year of 2025 and soon to be 2026, we really ought to be a lot better at this. And so I wanted to share some kind of basic tips and tricks. If you're using AI every day, you probably know these things. So I don't want to insult anybody's intelligence, but it seems like a whole lot of people kind of get these things wrong over and over again. Wrote a post in the Analyst Hive about the structure of a sophisticated query. It's not even really sophisticated. It's just a good query, really. And it's building the identity of the large language model and then giving context or documentation, assigning tasks, one or more, but less is better, and then an example of the kind of output that you want. If you do those four things on an AI query, you're likely to get a good result. Some of the documentation that I tend to use when advising people on their careers is number one, your resume, obviously. But number two, I tell people to pull a PDF of their LinkedIn profile. And when I tell them that, I tend to see what I call the 1,000-yard stare. It's from Full Metal Jacket, I think. But they give you that kind of blank look where it's like, you have no idea what I'm talking about. So I wanted to give you a quick demonstration. Again, something that I always assume people know how to do it, but then, it happens that they don't. So we're just going to take a look. What you want to do is come to LinkedIn. LinkedIn, obviously. You want to click on me, because just like Chad Ochocinco, I love me some me. And then, or was that Terrell Owens? Anyway, what you want to do is you go here to resources and these little available pills. You may see something different depending on how your thing's set up, but go here to resources and you can see this right here, save to PDF. Click on that thing and look at that. Now you can tell I've already done this like 4 or 5 times. So, but it's that easy. And then that thing is a PDF representation of your profile. Now you can take that and you can, if you don't have a resume or if your LinkedIn is updated and your resume is not, you can cut and paste a lot of that stuff into a resume. Individual results may vary, but I recommend that you pull that and that your resume and that LinkedIn PDF output are the initial documentation or the context of one of those sophisticated queries. If you are on a LLM that allows you to upload documents, I use the kind of low pro tier of ChatGPT. Believe me, it's probably the best 20 bucks a month you can spend as an analyst or as a person that just uses the internet and needs information and wants to make stuff. But yeah, pull those too. Pull your resume, pull that LinkedIn PDF, use those as documentation when you're going to ChatGPT in order to boost up your data career. Folks, jump on the Analyst Hive if you're not there already. I will post a link somewhere in comments or the post or somewhere you can find it, where you can jump on there for free and start chatting with other data nerds like you and me. With that, Semper Fidelis, and I'll talk to you later.